Welcome to Sysadvance. Sysadvance is proud to announce the certification of its ICU ventilator, Sysvent OM1 by SGS Belgium, under the European Medical Device Directive. This ICU ventilator was developed in record time by a team of intensive care physicians together with Sysadvance development team in a partnership with the Portuguese Medical Association. Sysvent OM1 is capable of ensuring assisted and controlled ventilation modes by volume and pressure according to specifications of intensive care ventilators. Sysvent OM1 is simple to operate with an intuitive HMI touchscreen interface. This display has a built-in web server that allows for remote connectivity for both monitoring and remote control in PC environment, allowing for centralized monitoring of up to 20 patients or ventilators per PC workstation. The certification of Sysvent OM1 fills us with pride and confirms all the effort, commitment and professionalism dedicated to this project. Sysadvance started manufacturing Sysvent OM1 with an estimated delivery of the first units by March to Portugal and to the Czech Republic. Sysadvance hopes that Sysvent OM1 will contribute by saving lives at this critical time, complementing the ongoing efforts by prioritizing the supply of medical oxygen generators and systems globally. Visit us at www.sysadvance.com.